Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to MasterClass on iPhone and iPad. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type MasterClass in the search bar and press enter. Select the MasterClass app from the search results. Tap the Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once installed, open the MasterClass app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set up a password. After signing in, browse through the available classes. When you find a class you're interested in, tap on it for more details. Choose your subscription plan, whether monthly or annual. Review the terms and confirm your selection. You may need to enter your payment information if it's not already saved. Follow the prompts to complete your subscription process. Once your subscription is active, you can start taking classes right away. Explore your chosen courses and enjoy your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.